Hi YouTube. We got a lot of ground to cover, so let's get into it. We're going to do a song by this group called RVG. They're from Australia. And the song is called Alexandra. And it's got a really classic chord progression, but it just uses mostly 3 chords. So it's good to learn this because many songs do similar things. And then it's also just a great song. It's got great lyrics. It's about estrangement and violence that hangs over people. So it's got some interesting subject matter. So let's get right into the verse. It begins on C, goes to F. We're just playing the simplified F, which by the way is first finger at the first fret, 2nd string, second finger at the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and your ring finger is on the D string at the 3rd. And those are your notes. But it starts in C, and then at some point it goes to G and C.
Come Monday morning, you may find me dead. You may not find my body, but you may find my head in a motel closet or under a motel bed. Oh, this is the life that I lead.
The verse chord progression starts out in C, hangs on the C for like 3 bars. Then goes F to G, F, G, C, F, F, C, G. All right, that's the verse. Then it goes into the chorus after repeating a couple times. It goes into the chorus, and we'll talk about that next.
Oh, this is the life you chose to lead.
Now it begins.
But I don't care
C, F, F, G.
what people do. I just want you to see me. No, you don't have to love me too. Alexandra, little sister, I'm holding on to you. You said mothers.
In the chorus. F, F, G. F, F, G. F, C, G. And it goes back in. C, C, G. C, C, G. F, A minor 7, G. That's what I think is going on. Guitar solo. Let's listen to it.
I live in the city.
Okay, let's talk about that guitar solo. We learned that F shape before. Well, the singer's just using that F shape to play a little guitar solo. First they go to the 8th fret, and that works on for the C. I'm just doing a rapid up and down picking. Then up to the fret 13, it'll give you the F. Then back down to 8. Then up to the 15th. That'll hit the G. And then over the C, the singer plays this. At the 15th, or no, at the 17th. At the 17th, you're going to play strings 4, 3. That'll give you a C chord. So at the highest notes you hear in the solo are at 17. Okay, and that should do it for this song. And hope you enjoyed it. Don't be afraid to share it with your friends, and remember to subscribe if you want to find out when I post more lessons. All right, thanks. Bye.